Hey guys, Maddie and Alyssa here. We are at Marshall's in New York City and here to do the back to school challenge.
Let's go. Okay, so we are in the home section of Marshall's and we're about to start the challenge, and these are the rules. We have 30 minutes to spend $150.
We have to get everything we need for dorm essentials, and you cannot go over 150. And whoever gets the closest to 150 wins.
It's gonna be me.
It's most definitely gonna be me.
Okay, well, I already see some stuff I want, so let's just start.
All right, let's do it.
30 minutes on the clock. Ready, set, go.
Go. Okay, so what I'm thinking for my color scheme today is gonna be solely black and white, but maybe like a throw pillow or a throw blanket with a hint of color. Okay, I like this, and it's only $16.99, and it's so cushy, oh my gosh. But do I wanna go with like a knit one? Will that be better?
This pillow I have to have. It's just, I'm gonna build my entire dorm around it. It's only $20, so.
I think I'm gonna go with this one. I mean, I can always put it in my cart and come back later, you know? Oh, this is it. This is my golden section. Okay, let's just start. Definitely gonna need like a little trash bin. How much is this? $4.99? Are you kidding me? You cannot beat this. That is a definite. And I think I like this comforter set, two-piece twin XL comforter set. Yes, I love the little black details. How much? 60? Sold. Okay.
And I actually found the comforter I want. So it's just this really nice pale kind of like blush color, and this one's only $25. It's unheard of, that's a steal. So I feel like if I save on this comforter, I can spend more on the accessories.
Look at these. These have stars on them, so pretty. These are full though. I wonder if they have, perfect. $14.99, what a deal, twin XL.
To spice things up, I think I'm actually gonna do this little puppy sheet set. It's so cute. It's size twin XL, so that'll work in college, and it's only $15. Okay, so 25, 20, 15. Okay, wait, 45 plus 15, is that 70? Is it?
Ooh, look at this. This would be so cute for like pencils and stuff on my desk, but also makeup brushes if we're being honest. Love that. How much is it? $12.99, guys. You can't beat it. You can't beat it.
Ooh, wait a minute. I was gonna do all pink and white, but these are nice. And they're on sale for $16. Do I want this or do I want white? Okay, so hold these, and then I'm gonna get some white ones and hold them up too and see what's better. Because I do have like $90 left to spend, so plenty of money. And these are only $3 more. I don't know. I guess I'll just do the white, because then they match my dog sheets.
All right, we gotta be fast. I have like $35 left. I only want like one, maybe two plants. I really wanted something that was still with my black and white theme, so I think this marble is going to be good. But I also really like this container, and it's only $4.99, so like I could just buy a real plant, but like I don't trust myself with real plants. There's also this little guy. Oh, look at this little one. How much is this guy? $4.99. How much is this one? $7.99. Okay, I'm going with the bigger one. And then I wanna go look through wall accessories, and then I think I'm done. I don't have enough time or money left.
So I'm back in the pink section, and there really is just so much in this area that I want. First things first, I found these two white pillows. I actually like them better than the ones I picked out. They're the same price, so I'm swapping them. Gotta act fast because I'm running out of time. Ooh, wait, this is cute. Where is it? Okay, I thought maybe it was a piggy bank, but actually it looks like it's nothing. It's just a decorative elephant, but he goes with my room and he's really cute, so I'm gonna get it because it's only $8. These two are Oh wait, I don't like that with the weight at the bottom. So I guess I'm getting this one. It's $15. I don't know where I'm at in terms of money, but hopefully that doesn't put me over. Maddie, I'm done. Yep, I'm done. There's 2 minutes left and I'm done and Maddie's still not done yet, so I'm probably gonna win.
I just need one more thing. I saw this earlier and I really like these pink rock salt lamps. I only have a little bit of money left, so. Okay, there's no price on it, so should I do it? It might put me over, but it's just so cute. Okay, whatever, I'm doing it. I'm going for it. If it puts me over, I deserve it. Okay, got a race to check out.
Okay, so we finished 30 minutes flat. We got everything we need, so we're about to find out who overspent.
Her, no, 100%.
Okay.
I feel so confident that I didn't go over.
Did you do all the right math?
Well, that's debatable, but I still feel confident.
Okay, I mean, I feel like I did okay, but I guess we'll see.
Get out of here.
Okay, so the price to beat is $133.84. I win if I'm closer to 150 though, right?
Yeah, but I didn't go over, so goodbye.
Yeah, but watch this.
Oh, that's a cute elephant.
Yeah, it is a cute elephant. Oh my God, moment of truth. I'm scared. But by $3.40, that's
Still over. Still over.
whatever. My room's better, honestly.
So fall.
It was worth it for the pink elephant.
We lost, so.
What's my punishment?
I'm so proud of myself. I didn't go over. I beat Alyssa, so like that's just really awesome in general. I had like $15 extra to spare, so I call this a success for sure.
I was so close. It just hurts to get that close to winning and losing it all.
This was awesome. I feel like we got a lot of really great stuff. The math was harder for some than others. So like maybe next time bring a calculator.
Whatever. I only went over by like basically $4, and that's kind of crazy. I mean, Marshall's has great stuff. I'm really excited to go back to school, which is a sentence I've never said in my life before.
Wow, so true.
All right, want to get out of here?
Yes, please.
Let's go.